Imagine standing in front of a vast ocean knowing that beneath its surface lies a treasure trove of untold riches. Now, picture that ocean as the universe of big data and those hidden treasures as the insights it holds. How do businesses navigate this vast ocean to uncover these insights? That's the question at the heart of our exploration today. Big data has transformed the way businesses operate, from healthcare to retail, finance to entertainment. It's a revolution that's changing how we understand and engage with the world around us. Consider the healthcare industry, where big data is making waves. A case in point is how Johns Hopkins Hospital leverages big data to improve patient care. They have developed a system that predicts patients at risk of sepsis, a deadly infection, hours before symptoms appear. This early warning system, powered by big data analytics, has saved countless lives, illustrating the profound impact of big data in healthcare. Now, let's turn our gaze to the retail sector. Amazon, a name synonymous with online shopping, uses big data to personalize customer experiences. By analyzing shopping patterns, product reviews, and customer behavior, Amazon creates personalized recommendations that drive sales. This strategic use of big data has cemented Amazon's place as a global retail giant. In the world of finance, big data is a game changer. Take the example of American Express. They use predictive analytics to forecast consumer behavior, helping them to reduce risk and prevent fraud. By analyzing billions of transactions, they can detect unusual patterns, providing an early warning system for potential fraud. In the realm of entertainment, Netflix is a shining example of big data at work. By analyzing viewing habits, ratings, and user behavior, Netflix recommends shows and movies tailored to each viewer's taste. This personalization, powered by big data, has made Netflix a beloved brand for millions around the globe. In essence, big data is a powerful tool that, when wielded correctly, can unearth insights that drive innovation, efficiency, and success. It's transforming healthcare by enabling early detection and personalized care. It's revolutionizing retail by creating personalized shopping experiences. It's reshaping finance by predicting consumer behavior and preventing fraud. And it's redefining entertainment by tailoring content to individual tastes. So the next time you stand before that vast ocean of big data, remember this: the treasures it holds can transform your business. And with the right tools and strategies in place, you can navigate this ocean to uncover insights that will drive your business forward. The future of business is here. It's vast, it's exciting, it's big data. Dive in and discover what lies beneath the surface.